Sadowsky. I've been involved with this golf tournament since 1980, believe it or not. Was a chairman for the first several years and have been involved in different areas all through the 38 years, including and primarily as sponsor chairman in the last 25 years. It's been something that, as my friends and I started in 1980, I remember clearly. We had 92 golfers and we raised $2,500, and we thought that was terrific. And apparently other people thought it was terrific as well, and the next year it grew to $10,000 and it just kept growing and growing. We started the tournament because my wife Barbara had cancer in 1977, and my mother died of cancer early in 1980. So we wanted to give back, and of course Barbara was involved from the very beginning as well. We have people that are still playing in the tournament 38 years later, and sponsors that are still involved with the last 38 years, which is incredible, and it's a testament to the strength of the Jimmy Fund, frankly, and our local committee, which is very strong. The Jimmy Fund is the fundraising arm of the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute, and it's really one and the same, and people think, you know, the money goes just to pediatric cancer if it's the Jimmy Fund, but that's not the case. It goes to both adult and pediatric cancers, research and care, and Dana-Farber is pretty unique in the cancer world in that 50% of the money goes for research and 50% to patient care. And as a result, there's a lot of bench to bedside care for people. I mean, they're literally taking things that are developed in the research labs there and bringing them to the bedside and back again to see how the results are, and hopefully find new therapies that work for people. Well, I mean, sponsors are the key to the event. To me, the important thing is that it works well because people can take customers, they can take friends to the tournament. They can spend 5 or 6 or 8 hours with them during the course of the day of golf and dinner and everything else. Show them a very good time, show them that they appreciate what they've done for their company, whether it's as employees or customers. And it really is a good payback for those kind of folks. It's an incredible amount of pride that everybody on the committee has, and certainly the ones who have been involved for a long time. And I actually was at Dana-Farber on Monday of this week, and right at one of the key intersections at the hospital where the PMC bridge meets the Yawkey Center and the Dana building is a plaque recognizing our golf tournament for having raised over $10 million for Dana-Farber. And it's quite an accomplishment. It's something I'm proud of, and everybody in the committee is very proud of. But you still want to keep it fresh, and I think this year with some different leadership, some new leadership, we're trying some new ideas that will bring more fun into the tournament and just keep it going for another, hopefully, 38 years. And we've made a lot of friends in the community as a result of this tournament, and we've raised $10 million that has gone directly to Dana-Farber. But there's also a lot of what I would call soft money, and that is that people feel very good about Dana-Farber. They give money at the end of the year, around the holidays. They give money in their estates. It's something that we've been working on, Barbara and I have been working on, Dana-Farber Society, and so people can write the Dana-Farber into their wills. They can write it into life insurance policies. They can write it into trusts that they create, and it's relatively very easy to do. You don't need an attorney spending hours and hours on this thing. And as a result, there have been a number of people from Western Mass who have left or have recognized Dana-Farber in their estate plans. And so, yes, we've raised $10 million, and that's incredible, but I can't even imagine how much money beyond that, over and above that, that we've raised in addition. And it's a legacy that's going to go forward for decades.